just got this in. Well, I actually didn't get it in. Purchased it at Home Depot. Not sure which. I'm not sure I'm going to keep these batteries. This I'll be opening so that I can charge up the battery. And it looks pretty beat up. Charge up the battery and try out the drill. This is the tool only, no battery included, no charger included. So I had to purchase it separately. They do have a kit, which is about $10 cheaper if you buy this right here, I believe, and it comes with a bag. It's $9 cheaper, but it has to be in stock. So there was nothing in stock. I just ended up picking this up. So I need it for a project. So hopefully, we'll see what we do. Tells you where it goes. This is the location of the item. Let's open it up. See what's inside. I have this all at the end. Lots of words. I like pictures. I don't see any here. Okay, there's some there. A lot of details. I have the drill one. I have this drill here, I believe, with a whole kit with a plastic bag. It's a plastic container bag. I'll have this at the end. It's heavy. So, oh, okay. It looks like this will be the reverse and backwards, as you can see with the arrow. Forward, reverse. In the middle is the lock button. You see I'm pressing it. I'm just going by previous tools that work like this. So the actual amount of torque or strength that you want to put in the drill, the speed, will depend on how much you squeeze this. So a very light squeeze, very light drilling, a very heavy duty squeeze, or all the way, you push it down, it'll go its highest RPM, which is I think 800 RPM, so it'll go pretty fast. So Milwaukee. This is the torque settings. I call them the torque, or the amount, of torque where the drill will stop drilling. If you get to a certain point, you'll hear the ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, and it'll stop drilling. It goes all the way to drill, and that way the torque is not set at all, and it'll just keep drilling with all its power. That's all the information on the side. Battery, I'm gonna weigh it. I think that's it to it. Now, the reason I purchased this is because I'd like to try I'd like to try out a right angle drill. There's nothing else in there, so I'm gonna put that to the side. Because certain situations, I can't get my drill in there, and I think this would be very convenient. Even when I'm drilling in certain locations, like under my deck, with the drill, since I'm holding it, as the standard drill, I'm holding it like a firearm. You're kind of holding it like this. Sometimes it's hard to get it straight or see what's straight in front of you. Whereas with this, I actually could use it with two hands, one here and one here, and I could drive it easier, and I could stay more aligned as to where I want the screw to drill into. Like right now I'm doing a project and I'm using self-tapping screws and self-drilling screws, and I would like to use this. This is the chuck, I think it's called. Excuse me if I'm using the wrong term. To lock everything into place, I'll be putting some screw bits in there. But anyway, oh, it has a little light too. That's good. Sometimes it's good. Most of the time I'm not using the light, but sometimes it's good when you're in a dark area, like I said, under my deck. The light comes in handy. Anyway, I'd like to be able to put more force on it, get more of a steady hand, and push it in easier. I'll see if this works, if it works well. The drill itself, the one I purchased in the past, I've owned it now for several years, way over 5 years. I'm sorry, I think it's this one. It's a regular standard drill like this. Well, it's not a right angled one, but it's a regular standard holding with like a hand, like a firearm type of drill. This brand, this model, M12, it works really well. Very high RPMs. I believe the RPMs are much higher than 800. I think it might be 1200. I'm not 100% sure. I don't have the tool here, but I'm sure it's very high RPM. These are the screw bit ends I'm going to be using from Milwaukee. I'm going to try these out to see which ones work, which ones don't, and see what happens. So we're going to charge this up. Let me, I always forget how to set this up. Lift it up here. So we're going to set this up and charge it. Let me open this up and show you what's inside here of the charger. This is the battery the charger comes with. I don't like that battery. I actually want to use these batteries because they're a lot thinner and smaller. But I'm going to see how these work. These are 1.5s, 4.0s. So we'll see the difference. I might just return these and keep this with the drill. Let's measure, put this together. And the actual cable itself, just for unnecessary information. Or maybe it's necessary. The cable is about 6 feet long. 2-prong electrical cable. So this is the actual battery I purchased. Let's do a real close-up look at, this is the charger itself. Just in case. And let me weigh the actual drill itself. So according to my scale, this is 2 pounds, a little over 2 pounds. This is without the battery, so let's add this battery to it. A little bit heavier. So I'm curious to see how much this battery weighs by itself, so let's take everything off. This is actually a screw bit I'm going to be using tomorrow to try it out. I'm trying to put some screws in through a piece of wood, and I'll try to drill some holes and things like that so you can get an idea how it works. So this is going to be 14.4 ounces. Now we're gonna take this and cut this in half in weight. Just to make it easy, we'll make this 14. So that'll be actually 7.0 ounces. We'll leave it at that per battery. 7 ounces per battery. I just cut it in half just to make life easier. 7 ounces on one of these. 14. So this is double the weight of one of these. So there's a significant difference in battery weight. All right, let's put this to charge and leave it there overnight. I left it charging overnight, so let's, it turned green. Let me just show you, hopefully it's still green. As you can see, it's green, that means it's fully charged. It's really hard to take this out in the beginning since I have the drill I have. It was very difficult in the beginning when I first started using that drill to get the batteries out because this is so brand new. The plastic haven't given way in regards to taking out and putting on a battery. That's the battery indicator. That's also on the drill. When you press the trigger a little bit, it'll show you how much battery you have. It's fully charged. And the light goes on automatically, it looks like, which is handy. finished up my project using this. I used another screwdriver, the firearm handheld one, and my saw. I'll be finishing up a video on the saw that I used, the Ryobi one. This worked great. I love it. Hard to reach locations, very easy. I had to get underneath the steps right there, got to it easily, was able to screw without looking. It's nice because I actually, with two hands, imagine this being my left hand. When I'm screwing in on the outside of this railing, I was able to get a nice hold with both hands. So I have one hand here, and then I have my right hand here controlling the trigger. I have my left hand here pulling down and keeping it straight that way. And it did really, really well in me getting the screw in there, the self-tapping screws. I also made some holes with drill bits. I also, what else did I use this for? I made some holes, I screwed in some screws, I unscrewed some screws. This thing worked really well. And it's not as powerful as the one I have, which is the DeWalt, I think it's 18 volt one. So this is, I think, the 12 volt, 18 volt, big difference. But it does what I needed to do. It didn't fail me. The battery life lasted all day. I spent about 4 or 5 hours using it, and it worked just fine. I really like, I'm gonna keep the batteries that I purchased, the additional ones, and it's gonna be great to have around the house just to use. Much lighter than the DeWalt one I have that you hold like a firearm. And this is more precise. And like the one that I have with the DeWalt, the firearm one, I have to kind of hold it like this to get this in there. I really can't do it. Usually I would have to get a ladder, come up here and then face it so I can screw it in. With this, I can do it from the deck, screwing it. So it worked in very hard to reach locations, hard to reach things. It just really made it easy. I really like this thing. Works really well. Really like it. I'm definite keeper. I'm gonna be keeping track to see if it goes on sale. Home Depot does a great job in giving you the price difference if they see it on sale. And I think we have up to, I'm gonna say about 90 days. They have a 90-day return policy. Well, this is in Pennsylvania. I'm not sure anywhere else. And the nice thing is that if I do see it on sale within a 90-day period, I just go over, show them the receipt, and they usually give me the price difference. It's great at the customer service. But I'm definitely keeping this. The batteries cost just as much as the device, but that's the way it goes when it comes to this electronic devices. The batteries are very expensive. But I really like it. It really helped in getting things done. My son loved it. My wife loved it. Easy to use. No issues whatsoever. This is a definite keeper for us. So if you have any questions, I hopefully I covered everything in regards to the trigger and everything. Hopefully I covered everything. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I usually take a day or two. I'm probably averaging about 10 to 20 questions a day. So just give me some time to answer, just in case I have to bring it out and try it out and do something if you requesting something that I don't know off the top of my head, so I could come out and double check. But I really like this thing. It works really well. It didn't get stuck. It went through everything that I gave it. I was just only screwing into wood, so I can only speak of wood, and it worked really well. I really liked it. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Some info on item. M12 12-volt lithium-ion cordless 3/8" right-angle drill tool, only Milwaukee, April 19, 2021. Cost $89. Purchased at a Home Depot store. Delivers 100 inches pounds of torque, compact size for drilling and fastening in tight spaces, part of the M12 system, featuring over 100 plus tools. Product overview: M12 system, portable productivity, trade focused, system wide. M12 system power and portability in a size that outperforms the competition. A wide selection of M12 cordless tools and heated gear lined up, lightweight and ergonomic for easy portability and faster operation. A wide selection of M12 cordless tools and solutions lined up unrivaled performance in a compact form transformed inefficient manual tools into advanced battery-powered workhorses. Man wearing glove uses an M12 fuel 1/2 inch drill driver to drill into wood beam portable productivity, the perfect balance of size and performance to improve your productivity with portable solutions. 3 trade professionals in safety gear on red background. Trade focused Milwaukee is dedicated to the trades, providing professional solutions on one platform. Milwaukee's power tools are part of the M12 system, featuring over 100 cordless solutions. System compatibility tools on the M12 system fit all M12 batteries. M12 system tools offer high-performance motors, red link intelligence, and red lithium batteries. M12 cordless tool technology provides tradesmen with unmatched levels of performance, protection, and productivity. Electrician cutting conduit overhead. Electrical M12 subcompact band saw. A man works on job site with portable radius sight light on table nearby. Plumbing and mechanical drain professionals, plumbers, and facility maintenance crews will be able to work faster when clearing clogs. A man wearing gloves uses an M12 fuel oscillating multi-tool to cut drywall. Carpentry M12 woodworking tools are compact and portable for all job site applications. Man uses M12 fuel 1/2 stubby impact wrench with pin detent to remove lug nut. Automotive tools provide durability and power in a size that outperforms the competition. Man wearing a M12 heated tough shell jacket lit up to show heated zones. Heated gear M12 heated jackets uses carbon fiber heating elements to create and distribute heat to your chest, back and front hand pockets. Electrician uses M12 rocket tower light on a service call. Lighting sets up in seconds to a max height of 7 and collapses to less than 4 for easy transportation and storage. M12 cordless 3/8 inch right angle drill is more efficiently with the most versatile right angle drill / driver on the market. With a head size of just 3/3 in, this M12 right angle drill / driver is compact and lightweight for drilling and fastening in tight spaces, yet delivers 100 inches-pounds of torque. It's the first subcompact with a spindle lock chuck for maximum versatility and grip. It also features the industry's first electronic clutch, with 12 torque settings and an LED indicator for fastening with complete control. The M12 Red Lithium Battery Pack, sold separately, delivers more work per charge and more work over pack life than the competitors. The onboard fuel gauge helps you monitor the charge precisely, so there's less downtime on the job, and a built-in LED light illuminates the work surface. An extended paddle switch gives you ultimate comfort and convenience during prolonged use. 3/8 inch single sleeve ratcheting chuck for maximum versatility and grip. 3 to 3/4 inch head L is great for working in tight spaces. Extended paddle switch provides convenience and comfort. Electronic clutch has 11 settings plus drill mode for complete control. Built-in LED light illuminates work surface and indicates clutch out. Battery fuel gauge displays remaining run time. Compatible with all M12 batteries. Compatible with all M12 chargers. 5-year warranty. Specifications. Dimensions. Product depth, in. 1.75 in. Product height, in. 4 in. Product width, in. 11 in. Details. Battery amp hours. No battery. Battery amp hours. No battery. Battery power type. Lithium-ion. Battery size. Lithium-ion. Battery / charger. Tool only. Battery / charger. Tool only. Charger included. Charger not included. Chuck size. 3/8 in. Chuck type. Keyless. Color family. Red. Condition. New. Cordless tool type. Right angle drill. Cordless / corded. Cordless. Drill / driver type. Right angle drill. Included. No additional items included. Maximum speed, RPM 800 RPM. Motor type. Brushed. Number of total batteries included. 0. Power tool features. Keyless chuck, LED light, variable speed. Product weight, pound 2.25 pounds. Returnable. 90-day. Tools product type. Power tool. Voltage, volts 12. Warranty, certifications. Certifications and listings. CSA listed, ETL listed, UL listed. Manufacturer warranty. 5-year tool warranty.